Today's show is all about your biggest cancer risks and now the biggest solution to help prevent all cancer. Dr. Robin Chutkan has helped me create a revolutionary food plan to help cut your cancer risk. So let's build a rainbow for our audience. Color is one of the best indicators of a food's health benefits. The brighter it is, the more nutrients it has, the better off we all are. All the foods we're going to talk about today will help protect against cancer, but each group has properties that target the specific cancers that we talked about. So let's get to the plan. First up, the best red foods to help cut your cancer risk. These are particularly powerful against ovarian and pancreatic cancer. So walk us through these.
So these foods get their vibrant red color from all the antioxidants they have. So we have berries, we have red peppers, and we have tomatoes. Tomatoes have a substance called lycopene, very important for fighting cancer. Red bell peppers have flavonoids, and berries have powerful antioxidants. So these are very important foods in cancer prevention.
You're going to get one of these red foods, a serving of it, at least once a day to help cut your cancer risk. Next up, the best orange foods to help cut your cancer risk. These are especially powerful against stomach cancer. These are a lot of the foods that I tell you, we talk about these, we love them, but walk us through these.
So first of all, these foods all have a lot of fiber, which is very important for cancer prevention. And then the orange color, they're full of beta-carotene. Apricots have something called quercetin, which is a very important cancer-preventing compound. And so eating all of these foods, and as you can see, we have a wide variety. We have carrots, apricots, mangoes, sweet potatoes, and pumpkins. So you're getting your fiber, you're getting your beta-carotene, you're getting your quercetin from these foods.
Your dosage of orange foods is at least twice a week to help cut your cancer risk. And we're building a rainbow over there. And as it grows, not only is it beautiful, but your insides will love it as well. The next of the foods that you have to get in, and this is a huge category, yellow foods. They will help cut your cancer risk, and especially against stomach and esophageal cancers.
The vitamin C in these foods is very, very important. It's a powerful antioxidant. These foods also have flavonoids, which help to detoxify the cells and prevent against cancer, and they strengthen your immune system.
So again, we're talking about citrus fruits in your dose at least once a day to help cut your cancer risk. Next, the best green foods to help cut your cancer risk, and these are these extra powerful fighting nutrients that we need if we're going to battle ovarian, breast, or lung cancer, or prevent them from happening. Chutkan?
So greens are probably the most missing food in the American diet, and they're probably the most important. We can divide these up into the lighter green vegetables, what we call the cruciferous vegetables, the cabbage and the Brussels sprouts. These are the ones that give you the smelly gas, but it's good gas. And then the dark, I'm a gastroenterologist, I have to talk about gas. And then
I'll take the gas to get rid of the cancer. It's a good trade-off.
The dark green vegetables, the spinach and the chard and the bok choy, the dark green leafy vegetables contain folate. Now, folate is very important for building healthy cells and keeping the genetic material within our cells healthy. The light green cruciferous vegetables have something called lutein, which, again, very important on a cellular level for preventing cancer.
And I love all these greens because they've got lots of vitamin K in there. And remember, vitamin K helps reduce the chance of diabetes, which therefore will also reduce your chance of pancreatic cancer. And, these green vegetables, they fight all kinds of problems because they've got the ability to nourish our liver so we can detoxify ourselves. So twice a day, you can eat these greens. It is the #1 category out there. The leafy greens especially, but the cruciferous vegetables in particular.
Absolutely.
For the liver. And finally, the neutral colored foods. These will help cut your cancer risk, especially for stomach, ovarian, and colon cancers. Dr. Chutkan.
So when we talk about white foods, usually we're thinking about stuff that's not that nutritious. White potatoes, white rice, white bread. But some of these white foods are incredibly helpful. They're what we call allium vegetables, and they're very important for the immune system. So things like garlic and chives and onion, extremely important. Mushrooms are key because they're very helpful with vitamin D, and vitamin D is essential for fighting cancer and preventing cancer.
Especially ovarian cancer, as we discussed earlier. And again, if you're not going to get it from foods, I know it's hard to do that, at least not when you have to take as a supplement. You want to add these neutral foods to your diet at least once a day to help cut your cancer risk. Now, I built the rainbow here, folks. I mean, it's as beautiful as it gets. You build a rainbow like this, it's easy to remember. So, DrOz.com has this full cancer fighting program on it. You'll be able to use that program to cut your cancer risk. Up next, proof that knowing your biggest cancer risks and solutions can truly save your life. Believe me, you do not want to miss this.